this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix TikTok cannot add caption. Well, I'm going to get straight to the point. In order to fix this problem, there are a couple of ways you can fix it. The first thing you want to do is check if there are any updates available. Simply go ahead and search for TikTok on your App Store or Play Store and click on it. Then there is going to be an update button if there are any updates available. If that is not the case, simply try uninstalling and reinstalling the latest version. If that is not the case, then it could also be because of your application bugs and glitches. In order to fix it, simply open TikTok. Tap on your profile on the bottom right and then click on the top right triple lines icon and click on settings and privacy. This is where you want to scroll all the way down until you simply go ahead and find the free up space tab and click on clear cache. Once you go ahead and do that, it is going to go ahead and fix your problem. However, if it still doesn't, then you have no other options but to try to contact your support. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.